What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So what else can we make real quick? So let's make one more quick bow. We're gonna measure this out to about 12 inches. Give that a good twist. Gonna measure out about 7 inches. All right, and that's all I've got on this one. Is one loop and two tails. Oh, you know what else I'm gonna do? Since I have these ribbon tails already cut, I'm gonna go ahead and use these as extra tails. How many yards per roll? Each roll has 10 yards. Oh, thanks, Dora. So we're just making an extra bow. With our supplies. All right, y'all, I'm gonna grab this extra ribbon and just slide it right in here. All right. Slide this out. Get it nice and tight. Y'all, now we're gonna take our two pieces of mesh that we had. We're gonna curl those ends up just a little bit, ruffle that down. Same on the other one, ruffle that down. And we're gonna add that to the back of our bow here. I'm gonna put a zip tie around it first. Now, you're really not gonna see the mesh, but it's gonna give it a nice base. So that it keeps everything nice and perky. Get this pulled off nice and tight. Fluff out our little bow. We need to dovetail it. Now, you can list this bow for sale in your Etsy shop, and you can list it as a just a regular bow, as a mailbox bow, as a lamppost bow. Y'all, people buy bows every single day on Etsy who can't make their own, and they add it to their own little wreaths. That's a whole business right there. Selling just bows. So I like to put the mesh on the back of just the single bows, because even if your customer, well, I thought I had a grapevine right here. I do. Right? Because your customer can now buy the bow and just tie it off on their wreath and it's done. Or they can tie it onto a lamppost like this. They can tie it on, I'm not moving the whole mailbox, sorry y'all. Tie it off to mailbox, all kinds of things.